and welcome back to another Amazon wig review. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back, girl. So today's wig is sponsored by my sister. It was my birthday gift. So this Amazon wig is from Reveiw. Reveiw store on Amazon. I did open it previously because, like I told y'all, it was a birthday gift from my sister. But it is a 42-inch knotless braided wig. Okay. So excited for this one. It is 42 inches. It is full HD wig. It came with a wig cap and also these little things to put on the braids. So cute. All right, so let's get into the wig. So this is the wig. Oh, it's so cute. Like, the braids are so neat and pretty. This is what the ends are giving. And this is the braid. It is 42 inches. Let me take this off. Alright, so this is the wig. This is a lace. It is a full lace. This is what the inside is giving. It has clips here on both sides, and then a clip in the back, and then a band. It's really cute. Y'all see the edges? Y'all see them edges or whatever, period. And it's $362 also, so it's also all around in the back as well. So this is what it's giving. I'm not going to bleach these knots, even though, you know, they are present. But I'm going to just go ahead and put makeup on it. Because I do not want to mess up this wig. I just do not. But, yeah. So I'm about to go ahead and put my ball cap on. So give me a second and I'll be back to install this wig. Alright, so I went ahead and put my ball cap on. So now let's install her. And I also went ahead and put some makeup inside of the wig to kind of hide some of the knots. So let's go ahead and put her on my head. Ooh! That's what she is giving, you guys. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it on with this, and then I'm gonna add some mousse on top. I'm not even gonna let that like dry. Let's just go ahead. Put the wig right on top. Okay, so right on top, I'm just going to go ahead and okay, so now I'm just gonna put my band on here. And I'm just gonna let that dry for a second. All right, so now I'm going to take the band off. All right, so let's cut the lace. Go ahead and cut the lace. Cozy. Alright y'all, so now it's time to play around with these edges. Alright, so let's see what we can do. I know I'm gonna have to cut them down because they like really long. If I was a long baby hair girl, I think I would just leave it just like this, honestly. But I'm really not. They are real nice and fluffy, as you can see. It's giving you a lot of creativity for your baby hairs. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut them, honestly. Yeah. on here on this wig. I do like the fluffiness of it, so I think I'm gonna kind of try to leave it fluffy. But so I'm just gonna be here trying to figure out these edges, so y'all give me a second, because that's always the hardest part and it takes me the longest, so just give me a second. All right, so baby, this is the final look. As far as the edges, I kind of just left them fluffy. I laid them down just a little bit and left them like fluffy. The braid is very, very, very lightweight. It's not heavy at all, like not heavy at all. As far as the knots, they're pretty much still kind of visible. I went and I put as much makeup on it as I could without it looking too, you know, makeup-y. But basically this is the final look. Like, this is what the back is looking like. You can't really see the length too much, but it is 42 inch. It's 42 inches. Let me see. So you guys can see the length. Don't mind my outfit, y'all. When I be filming these videos, I just be putting on anything, mainly my top. But this is the length. This is what it's giving. Hold on, let me see. So, what's this? The length. What it's giving. And this is like the close-up. I wish I would have did my ball cap because the lace is so transparent that you can actually see my ball cap, but for the most part, this is what it's giving. So yeah, so overall, I would give this wig a 9 out of 10 simply because of the knots. But everything else is really, really, really good. Like, I love, love, love it. I love the fact that it's so lightweight. It's so lightweight, it's not heavy at all, like not heavy at all. If they would have bleached these knots before they did this wig, it would have been top tier, 10 out of 10. But that's the only thing that's throwing me off. But other than that, I really like it. So, you know, yeah, the only thing that I really don't like is the knots. I didn't bleach it simply because I didn't want to like mess up the neatness of it, so I didn't bleach it. But yeah, the knots was really making it give that wig feel. But if you find a method to kind of hide these knots, then I feel like you're gonna be A1. But other than that, I love it. So the link will be inside of the description box. And once again, shout out to my sister for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for the birthday gift, girl. I love it. And yeah, the link will be inside of the description box. The link will be inside of the description box. So if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another Amazon wig review. Period. The baddie is out.